Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making and applying bentonite clay to clarify my natural hair. If you are interested in seeing how I do this, then keep on watching. I've been using bentonite clay to clarify my natural hair for a number of years now, and at this point I know when my hair needs to be clarified. I use butters and oils to seal in moisture to my hair, and when I feel that my hair can no longer absorb moisture, that is when I apply the clay. I usually make the clay into a paste consistency, but today I decided to make it loose as I will be applying it to twisted hair. Now okay, this is just me being lazy, so please don't come for me. I know I'm using a spoon, but I added about half a cup to 2/3 of a cup of the bentonite clay, a tablespoon of aloe vera powder, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and I just added the water until I reached the consistency that I liked. Note that the amount of clay will depend on the length and density of your hair and the consistency that you are going for. You can substitute the aloe vera powder for aloe vera juice or skip the aloe vera altogether if you do not have it, but please do not leave out the apple cider vinegar as it helps to neutralize and balance the pH of your mask with its acidity. After mixing all my ingredients together, I let it sit for a while in order to allow the dry ingredients to absorb all the wet ingredients, and this helps to get rid of the lumps in the mask. I'm using an applicator bottle that had an Ayurvedic oil in it, and so I decided not to wash it, so please ignore that. I'm pouring my clay into an applicator bottle as this is going to be the easiest way for me to apply the clay to my hair. I'm applying my mask on dry hair, so I'm relying on the water that is in the mask to moisturize my hair at this point. Have you ever used a clay mask in your hair? Comment below how you prepare and use it, and was it beneficial to your hair in any way? Let me know. Bentonite clay is a thick, mud-like substance which is derived from volcanic ash. It has the highest absorption of oil and it is very pliable and soft. It has been a helpful ingredient throughout history due to it being an absorbent aluminum phthalosilicate clay. It is rich in natural minerals such as iron, magnesium, calcium, and silica. This clay can offer deep moisture to the hair and scalp. It also deeply cleanses the scalp, removes dead skin cells and toxins, while strengthening the hair and preventing hair loss by clarifying the hair follicles so that they can absorb water, which can contribute to growing thicker, healthy hair. All things considered, bentonite clay appears to be a safe DIY mask for natural hair. More research still needs to be done on this, but many beauty enthusiasts swear it works. The few scientific journals that are available reaffirm the benefits some may find when using the mask. However, if you choose to use bentonite, just make sure to do a patch test to avoid adverse reactions. I must say, this is a messy process, but I think it is worth it. After applying the clay, you need to make sure to cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag to prevent the clay from getting dry in your hair. I'm going to leave the clay in my hair for an hour and then rinse it out. If you are interested in a simple all-natural shampoo, then do check out this video on my African black soap shampoo. See you in the next one.